So I had whipped up one of these little tape holders for a while, and it was working so good that it was overflowing, so it's time that I make a few more. And this one I kind of did as a prototype to see how I liked it, and I liked it a lot, so I'm going to make 2 more real quick here, put them up, and show you just how versatile a little holder like this can be when utilized correctly. I always have rolls of tape and stuff just kicking around and stuff piled up everywhere, so organization is starting to be a big deal for me. I just have too much stuff and not enough space, so I find that if everything has a spot, I'm more likely to actually put it there. So I am attempting to make a lot of changes in my garage to allow me to have a spot for everything, and rolls of tape is one of those things that seem to pile up for me. You see, the tape that I put up is just what I had out, all jammed onto the one holder, and I have another little plastic tub full of tape. And part of the reason is I don't know what I have, so I go out and buy more, and then I find out that I already had it, and yeah, it's just a bad cycle. Then they just attach to the back of this shelf here. Couple of screws and up they go. And that's all that stuff. See, you can put clamps on these. I actually went and found a bunch of extra stuff because I had way more space to store stuff than tape. And that's that. Clean table. Pretty good if I say so myself. Even got room for my face shield. Thanks for watching.